उड़ीसा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन 2021 जिसने प्रीलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन 2021 लिया है, पेपर सेकेंड, हम लोग अब क्वेश्चंस एंड उसका आंसर देख रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 10 बेस्ड ऑन पैसेज, 2 पैसेज। शो नंबर फर्स्ट पैसेज इज इंडियन philosophical and religious thoughts can be classified into Brahmanic and Shramanic tradition. Okay, so Brahmanic tradition traces its origin to the Vedas and Shramanic tradition do not believe in the authority of Vedas. Okay, so after reading this passage, actually this passage is long, not long because this is so long. So first of all you read, pause the video and read the passage and next। और यहाँ पर एक थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ दिया हुआ है, मैंने देखा है अभी जस्ट, आई शो यू वेयर इज़ दिस। हाँ, यहाँ पर जो दिया हुआ है ना, द फाउंडर ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म गौतम बुद्धा 563 इनका बर्थ है और इनका जो डेथ है महात्मा बुद्ध का 483 BC। तो ये तो सही है। बहुत सारी मान्यताओं के अनुसार गौतम बुद्ध का जो जन्म था 563 BC था, लेकिन यहाँ पर महावीर स्वामी का जो जन्म है 599 BC दे रहा और इनका डेथ जो है 527 दे रहा है। इसका मतलब हुआ कि महावीर जो स्वामी हैं वो महात्मा बुद्ध से एज में बड़े हैं। ये थोड़ा सा देख लेना होगा, ये डेटा एक दिया हुआ था, इस पैसेज से हमें ये क्लियर हो रहा है, क्योंकि जिसने भी ये लिखा होगा कुछ तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स लिया होगा वो। आफ्टर reading this lengthy passage, now we are from question number 1. So Shramik tradition do not believe in the authority of Vedas. Just हम लोगों ने देखा श्रमनिक हैं, नॉट श्रमिक, श्रमनिक। ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, शंकराचार्य अपरूटेड फ्रॉम इंडिया, बुद्धिज्म अपरूटेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, Buddhism has a code of conduct for, option D correct answer होबे, not for common man but for bhikkhus and bhikkhunis. Question number 4, which of the following is true? So Jainism flourished in India and Buddhism abroad. Question number 5, which of following is correct? So option C correct answer होबे। Now passage 2, the notion of Swadeshi occupies a pivotal place in Gandhi's thought and practice. The centrality of the notion of Swadeshi can be gauged from the fact that Gandhi believes that the way to Swaraj is through the practice of Swadeshi. आप इसे रीडिंग कीजिए इस पैसेज को, ये भी थोड़ा सा बड़ा है और इस पर 5 क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड हैं। आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस पैसेज, please you pause this video and read, and after that after reading question number 6, according to Gandhi ji Swaraj can be achieved only through Swadeshi. Okay, so option C correct answer होबे। question number 7, the principle of Swadeshi operates, option D correct answer, in the physical as well as in the spiritual realms. question number 8, the principle of Swadeshi is based on humanitarian principle, and question number 9, Swadeshi movement aims at improving the quality of goods made in one's own country. स्वदेशी का मतलब ही था ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट विल lead to just social order. ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, which kind of communication is represented by color graphics? So visual. question number 12, which kind of communication is represented by facial expression? option A, non-verbal. question number 13, which kind of communication is represented by a speech of a leader on the television? So option C correct answer, both A and B. question number 14 to 18, fill in the blanks. I have drunk a glass of milk. Okay, option B correct answer. question number 15, Ram's score on the test is the highest in the class, that means he must have studies hast night. Okay, so question number 16, because the first pair of pants did not fit properly he asked for another pair. question number 17, साइली हैज़ नॉट, साइली, ओके, थोड़ा सा प्रोनाउंसिएशन इसका मेरे ख्याल से साइली होना चाहिए. साइली हैज़ नॉट एवर लिव्ड अलोन बिफोर. ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. द कमिटी हैज़ मेट एट it has reached a decision. Option D correct answer. Question number 19 to 23. The given pair of words contain a specific relationship to each other. Select the best pair of choice which expresses the same relationship as the given. So okay, अपायरे बी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, उसी तरह से स्टेबल हॉर्स को करता है, स्टेबल हॉर्स. सी सिप को करता है, रिवर बोट को करता है, पिल और रेन रेन. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. क्लब, गोल्फ, शो रैकेट, टेनिस. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर. लव, ऑब्सेशन एंड सोरो, मिजरी. ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. देयर आर 2 bags, one of which contains 5 red and 7 white balls and the other 3 reds and 12. Show option B correct answer. 37 by 120. Question number 25. Karthik started a business investing rupees 9,000 after 5 months. Syam joined. Okay, show option D correct answer. Rupees 2,380. Question number 26. If Baisali can paint a house in 4 hours. Okay, show option A correct answer. 2 hours and 24 minutes. Question number 27. Solve the following. Option B correct answer होबे 7.2. Given following equations are A is to 2a by 3 is equal to 24 by 5. So what is 7.2 होबेक. Option B correct answer. Question number 28. If Arushi is 6 years older than Inaya, show option B correct answer. 10 years होबेक. Question number 29. Which one of following numbers is neither prime nor composite? So option A correct answer. Neither prime nor composite. We know that prime number is that number which divide one and self. Okay, or composite number is that number which divide is one, self and other. So correct answer is 1. Option A correct answer. Question number 30. Which one of following numbers is the smallest composite number? Show 4. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर. बिकॉज जस्ट अभी हम लोगों ने देखा कि कंपोजिट नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं जो 1, सेल्फ एज वेल एज अदर से डिवाइड होते हैं. तो जो 4 है 1 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा, सेल्फ से भी डिवाइड हो रहा और 2 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा. शो ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. If selling price is double, show option B 100. Question number 32. A vendor bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. Show option C 5. Answer. Question number 33. The ratio between the speeds of 2 trains is 7:8. Show option D 87.5 kilometers per hour. Question number 34. The distance between 2 places A and B is 570 kilometer. Then option C 11 am is correct answer. Question number 35. In covering distance of 30 kilometer, Rajinder takes 2 hours more than Samir. Show option A correct answer. 5 kilometer per hour. Question number 6. Identify the next number in the series 2359. Show option B 129 होबे. Question number 37. Find the wrong number in the series 1123. Show option C 46 होबे. Correct answer. Question number 38. Introducing a boy, a girl said. Show option C brother. Question number 39. Pointing to a photograph, Lata says. Option B correct answer इसमें हो जाएगा brother. Question number 40. Pointing to a photograph, Bajpayee said he is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. Show option B maternal uncle हो जाएगा यानी कि मामा. Question number 41 to 45. Based on the following graph, the bar graph given below shows the sales of books in thousands. Okay, 2000 and 2001 में ये जो दिए हुए हैं आप देख सकते हैं इस बार डायग्राम को. एंड आफ्टर द रीडिंग दिस बार डायग्राम Question number 41. What is the ratio of total sales of branch B to 4? Show option D 7:9. Correct answer होबेक. Question number 42. Total sales of branch B6. Option C 73.17%. Question number 43. What is the average sales of all the branches? Show option B. Correct answer 80. Question number 44. Total sales of branches B1, B3. Show option D. Correct answer 560. Question number 45. Ratio of total numbers of books sold in the year 2000 and in the year 2001 is A. Option A. Correct answer 96 is to or 96 by 110. So 96 is to 110. Option A. Correct answer. Question number 46 to 48. Based on the direction of like that, in the question, two statements follow two conclusion. Which of the conclusion follow the two given statements? Okay, so statements based conclusion. So first question 46. Some actors are singers, all singers are dancer, and conclusions are some actors are dancer, no singer is actor. So only a conclusion flows. So option A correct answer. Same question number 47. Option B correct answer. Only B conclusion flows. Question number 48. Option D correct answer. Both A and B flows. Question number 49. A grocer has a sale of rupees 6,435. So option A rupees 4,991. Question number 50. Which of the following pairs of thinkers advocate the doctrine and practice of Sarvodaya? So Gandhi Ji and Vinoba Bhave Ji. So option C correct answer. Question number 51. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. So option A 6.25. Question number 52. A family consists of two grandparents. Show option B 31 and 5 by 7 years. 31 of 5 by 7 years. Option B correct answer. Question number 53. Three pumps working 8 hours a day can empty a tank in 2 days. Option D correct answer 12. Question number 54. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water if a speed of this boat. So option C correct answer होबेक 4 hours. Question number 55 to 58 based on this direction. Question number 55. I saw a herd of cow in the field. Option B correct answer. Question number 56. The grapes are now ripe enough to picked. Option C correct answer. Question number 57. Roman and Rohit are twin brothers but they do not look alike. Option D correct answer. Question number 58. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Option B correct answer. Question number 59. The present population of village is 8,000 if every year the population increase at rate of 10%. Show option B 10,648. Answer होबे question number 8. Question number 60. 8 tailors can mend 360 shirts in 12 days. Show option A correct answer 8. Question number 61. If man takes 5 minutes to go round a circle of circumference 44 meters. Show option D correct answer 35 by 22 minutes. Question number 62. What is 20% of 40%? So option A correct answer 8%. Question number 63. Out of 30 students in a class, the average weight of 18 students is 20 kilogram. Show option C correct answer 22 kilogram. Question number 64 to 67 based on this table, given table. So you see this table. Okay, salary, transport, bonus, loan interest and taxes. Year 2010 to 2014 given. So now question number 64. The total expenditure of company these items during year 2012 is option D correct answer rupees 544.44 lakhs. Question number 65. Total expenditure on these items in 2010. Show option B is correct answer 69.4%. Question number 66. What is the average amount of interest? Question number C. Option C correct answer rupees 36.66 lakh. Question number 67. The total amount of bonus paid by the company. So option C correct answer 0.98%. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 to 70 बेस्ड ऑन दिस line graph, a student appearing competitive exam in different towns. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, these are different towns. So based on this line graph, question number 68, what is the ratio of number of a student appearing for the competitive examination from town B to that from town A? So 13:16. Option D correct answer. Question number 69, what is the average number of a student? So option A, 33.5 thousand. Okay, question number 70, the number of a student appearing for competitive examination from town D is approximately, option B, 243%. Question number 71 to 80, read the following passage and answer the questions. Passage 1, the Shah of Persia had heard of Birbal's intelligence and he wrote to Emperor Ashok requesting that Birbal be allowed to visit his court. Akbar was pleased because he was extremely proud of Birbal and sent him to the Persian court in all splendor. Okay, after the reading this passage, this is passage, now we answer these questions. 71, the Shah of Persia invited Birbal, test his immense wisdom. Okay, वो टेस्ट करना चाहता था उसके विजडम को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72, इन ईच सीट सेट वेल ड्रेस्ड, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट, और रॉयल पर्शियन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 73, एम्पेरर अकबर सेंट बीरबल टू पर्शिया इन स्प्लेंडर इन ऑल मेजेस्टी एंड ग्लोरी. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 74, ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 75, ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर होबेक, वॉज वेरी लर्नड. नाउ पैसेज 2, द ग्रेटेस्ट enemy of mankind as people have discovered is not science but war. Science merely reflected the prevailing social forces. After reading this passage, now we take these questions. Question number 76, according to the writer, the real enemy of mankind is not science but war, because the weapon invented by science do not cause war, though these make it more destructive. So question number 77, war can be stopped if we replaced forces and lawlessness by law and international government. Option B correct answer. 78, option C correct answer. And question number 79, option D correct answer. Both B and C are above together. And question number 80, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट आंसर होबेग. शो यह अपना ओडिशा PSC 2021 का पेपर 2 रहा.